Is this animation possible using Nomad Sculpt only? Short answer is yes, but let's get one thing straight. Nomad Sculpt is not an animation app.
Oh, that's what the man wants you to think.
Before anything else, select the tool matte cap from the shading menu. Add a sphere, duplicate it 2 times, put one at the back and one in the front. Scale up the back sphere and scale down the front one. Since our spider have 4 eyes, adjust the eye position, mirror, duplicate and move it up. Give it a nice color, whatever you like, and join them together. As for the legs, use the tube tool. Select curve and tap radius 2 times. Now shape the leg. When you're satisfied with it, just mirror, duplicate and move. Come on, let's go to step number 2, creating the movement. Before we start, use the move brush to add some variation on each pair of legs. You can use the lock on the selected legs so you don't move other parts accidentally. Also, don't forget to enable the symmetry tool. And most importantly, change this to vertex, otherwise the layers will ignore the animation. Alright, let's make the starting point. Enable the snap tool and change the value to 10. Rotate the front and back legs to the left. And the middle legs to the right. Now join the front and back legs together, add a layer and rotate them to the right. Now select the middle legs, add layer and rotate them to the left. Join all the legs together and merge down the layers. Now the legs are moving. Let's move some other parts. Join the head and eyes, move them to the left, then add a layer and move them to the right. Now join the head and legs and merge down the layers. Use the same method to move the body up and down. But there is one little problem. It's moving in the same spot, which leads us to the next step, controlling the spider. All what we need is to connect any keyboard to the iPad and change few hotkeys. Try to press left and you will notice that the spider will move to the opposite direction. We can fix this issue by selecting the binding tab on the right corner. Scroll down until you see the band left view. By default, it will be assigned to the left arrow key, and that sounds like what we want, but in fact, we want the exact opposite. Assign the key like this. Band left equal right. Band right equal left. Band upward equal down. Band downward equal up. Also change the band forward and backward to any keys to move the spider toward the screen or away from it. And last but not least, assign a key to modify the UI, which is necessary to pull off this trick. And now hold the layer slider and move it left and right, and while still holding the slider, modify the UI and start moving the spider with the keyboard.